Let's begin with the tenses. Yesterday you seen that simple present tense, present perfect, present continuous, present simple past tense, past continuous, past perfect, and now you have to be seen here the tenses, simple future and future continuous and remaining part of the tenses. Future tense. Future tense shows the futurity and the next what will be happen, that shows in that future tense, and that you will see in the simple future tense is used for an action that has still to the place. I shall see him tomorrow. They will play the match in the evenings. So whatever the future action you want to be expressed, that is useful for to show the simple future tense. भविष्यातील आपल्या बऱ्याच गोष्टी दर्शवण्यासाठी प्रेझेंटमध्ये आपण सिंपल फ्युचर टेन्स हा यूज करू शकतो आणि तशा पद्धतीने त्याचा उपयोग केला जात असतो. नेक्स्ट टेन्स इज फ्युचर कंटिन्युअस टेन्स. द ॲक्शन दॅट इज कंटिन्यू इन future that became incompleteness and that shows in future continuous tense. It is used to express an action going to be some points in future times, as I shall be reading the paper then. They will be playing the match at the time. So I shall be reading the paper then. They will be playing the match at the time means they will play the match, but that action will be completed in future and still that became incomplete. The future indefinite. Simple future indicates some point in times in future. Future continuous progressive tense and indicates some periods of times in future. I shall in the following sentences the use of future indefinite seems to be as appropriate as the use of future continuous tense. There are two sentences and two sentences we have to be differentiate between the simple present tense, simple future tense and future continuous tense. So look at that sentences. I shall do this work at 7 a.m. tomorrow. I shall be doing this work at 7 a.m. tomorrow means the two tenses are there, means that will be indefinite in that 7 o'clock and that be progressive things mentioned in that future continuous tense. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, फ्युचर कंटिन्युअस टेन्स फ्युचरमधली अपूर्ण गोष्ट आपल्याला दर्शवण्यासाठी फ्युचर कंटिन्युअस टेन्स हा वापरला जातो. But still it is the difference in the meaning of these two sentences. I shall do this work at 7 a.m. tomorrow means I shall not started early than that. I shall be doing this work at 7 a.m. tomorrow. I shall be started before 7 a.m. and shall continue working even आफ्टर 7 a.m. म्हणजे एखादी गोष्ट आपण त्या वेळेत चालू केलेली असेल पण त्या वेळेनंतरही ती कंटिन्यू असेल, अशा गोष्टीच्या वेळेस आपल्याला फ्युचर कंटिन्युअस टेन्स हा वापरावा लागतो. फ्युचर इंडिपेंडंट टेन्स shows that the actions begin at the started future moment and future continuous tense shows that the action began before the started moment in future. The future perfect tense. Future perfect is indicate the completeness of an action by certain future times. I shall be finished my homework by evening. She will have cleaned the room before you reach there. It means that in future that action will definitely be completed at that time. In the first sentence, I shall be finished my homework by evening. So eveningly definitely he or she had completed their work. She will have cleaned the room before you reach there. तुम्ही पोहोचण्याच्या आधी तो रूम क्लीन झालेला असेल. That is what the tense uses here as a future perfect tense. Now the perfect continuous tense, that is the tenses are remaining here. Perfect tense we continuous. Perfect continuous tense is used when action continues some duration of time. In order to express duration of the time, preposition for a sense is used. For is used for the period of time and take by the action is to be mentioned. For 15 minutes, for half an hour, for a month, for 3 years, for a long time. Since is used when the point of time which action began is to be mentioned. Since Sunday, since breakfast, since yesterday, since Diwali, since January 1998, since 1st of May. There is one example I took here. I have been writing this novel since since January 1998. I have been completing my work for 3 years. That is the word I uses since and for in the sentences. Present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous is action started. So there is some perfect continuous started the past and continue. I have been reading English for 2 years and they have been reading this book since morning. So that is the sentences we uses in that particularly in that tenses. How to use as for and since in specific examples we seen here. So that tenses action started in mainly be in present, that will be in future, and what that action will be completed we unknown about that time present perfect continuous tense is used. ॲक्शन आता चालू असेल ती पुढेही चालू राहणार पण केव्हा संपेल याची जेव्हा माहिती नसेल त्यावेळेस आपल्याला प्रेझेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्युअस टेन्स हा वापरायचा असतो. तशाच पद्धतीने पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्युअस टेन्स अँड फ्युचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्युअस टेन्ससुद्धा आपण तशाच पद्धतीने वापरू शकतो. बघूयात. द पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्युअस tense is used to indicate the activity was continuing and it was still going on, and that name is point or period for the time in the past. When I reached there at 2 p.m. I had been waiting for me since 1:30 p.m. I had been raining since morning when you rang me up means that it had been raining since morning, still that the raining is continuing in the past. ॲक्शन पास्टमध्येच चालू असते ती पास्टमध्येच कंटिन्यू असते. अशा वेळेस आपल्याला पास्ट परफेक्ट टेन्स कंटिन्युअस टेन्स हा वापरायचा असतो. Now future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense is used when an action is continuous till some point of time or for the period of time in future. That action started in future, that continue in future, and what that action will be completed that we unknown about that time future perfect continuous tense is used. It is emphasized to continuous an action up in a certain point of time in the future. By the 6 o'clock I will have been sitting here for 10 hours. He joined this office in the month of March. By December he will have been working here the 10 months. So there were we have to be used as future perfect continuous tense. Now I will take some examples here that you will be completed by your own. So now the tenses I will take one example and that example has to be continued in 12 tenses. First present tense in that subtense is simple present tense. He is writing that is the example of present continuous tense. He writes a letter. Present continuous tense. He is writing a letter. That is the example of present continuous tense. If there is third person singular, that time we uses the auxiliary verb first form and has to adding ing to the verb and object. Here is simple present tense, subject plus v1 plus object verb. If there is third person singular he, we added yes or es to the verbs. That became the writes a letter. Third present perfect tense. So here he has written a letter means that third person singular form of the to has verb, there is v third and object. He has written a letter. Present perfect continuous tense. He has been writing a letter. That's so here subject is there, auxiliary verb been and verb ing and object. He has writing a letter. So here next is past tense. First simple past tense. So the same he write became the wrote here V2 wrote a letter. Subject V2 plus object. Second he means past continuous tense. He was writing a letter. Subject singular form ing and object. Present past perfect tense. Third he had written a letter. So just you have to be look here in that third and present perfect and past perfect. So change is here is has is there, here is had. So written a letter is same here. Now past perfect continuous tense 4. He had been writing a letter. So if we check present perfect continuous tense, so minor change is had is there is because of past tense and has is there. The remaining been writing a letter is the same on both sentence. Future tense. So first simple future tense. In that simple future tense he will write a letter. So he became subject, will auxiliary, write main verb first form and a letter. Second future continuous tense. He will be writing a letter. So look at the future present continuous tense, past continuous tense and future continuous. So here is change was and will be. The remaining writing a letter and writing a letter are same in that all tenses. Minor changes are there. The present form is there, past form is there and future form is there, and other form of the sentence became the same. Future perfect tense. He has have written a letter. Fourth future perfect continuous tense. He have been he will have been writing a letter. So subject auxiliary B forms is there with ing and object is there. So that's way you have to be change one sentence into 12 tenses. Simple present into present continuous, present perfect continuous, some just like past tenses also and future tense also. So it is very easier to changes one to another. You have to be well in that tenses. Definitely it is easier, only that part you have to be change. Here is also will be, will have the change. Other been writing is there, and been writing is the same there. So now you have well the practice of the tenses. Tense without tenses, I think it is very difficult to us students. You have to be speaking in grammatical way. Tenses are very important for speaking that English very well. So now let us stop here with that particular parts of the tenses and that became completed here. So you will be read write that all these things in your notebook and send me in my personal number. Thank you.